This time around, it's not just vacation. I'm actually going to a conference. It's the Neuroscience Institute conference, so I'm actually not just packing regular clothes like hiking clothes, I'm also packing office clothes. And it's going to be 5 days, so this is a dilemma. It's my roller bag, had for 10 years or so. Closet space from Solagard, walking shoes for the airport. These are my office shoes, and hiking shoes, slides, and I'm going to use both clothes that I wear to the office. The camera, converter for the car. It's going to be a lot of driving, so it's 7 hours driving each way from Denver to Moab, Utah. GoPro. I can show you guys. Just bought this bag, it's amazing. GoPro wiring. It has 2 water case holders on it, and I love it. I was in Europe when I was traveling, and it was actually quite perfect. It fits my big DSLR camera, plus the 70 to 30, 300 lens. Grams quite well. So, I guess it is a good thing that I take a video before they, you know. Seat number is the same as the 28.